Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see how oatmeal is good for weight loss, its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Oats considered as the food for the sick people until it became popular in recent years with innumerable advantages associated with the same. Oats is a packet full of nutrients like vitamins, healthy carbs and fiber, which you may prepare according to your likes, dislikes and have it as a regular breakfast or an evening meal. It is a food recommended for weight loss with so many other benefits, but avoid the intake of sugar with the oatmeal. Now let us see why shall you avoid using ready-made and sweet oats. If you are eating oats for weight loss, do not buy packaged, ready-to-use flavored oats as it contains enough preservatives and additional calories that lowers the nutritional benefits associated with oats. Besides, you can add fruits like strawberries, blackberries, blueberries and raspberries to sweeten the oats that may satisfy your sweet cravings, and at the same time you are getting the fiber that will help you to lose weight. Also use water while you are preparing oatmeal that is healthier for the fat loss regimen. Now look at the benefits of eating oats. Oats are rich in protein and fiber that helps to burn calories during the digestion process as it keeps you fuller and satisfied for a longer period. It reduces bad cholesterol, and the fiber present decreases the amount of cholesterol going to the bloodstream, thus helps in lowering the cardiovascular problems. Now let us prepare a simple low-calorie oatmeal for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of chopped orange and apple. Please note down the method. Take a medium pan and boil 2 cups of water. Add rolled oats and stir well. Add half teaspoon cinnamon powder and salt. Reduce the heat and cover with the lid. Cook oats until thick and soft about for 5 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. Remove the pan from the flame. Garnish with chopped orange and apple to get more fiber. Enjoy the healthy oatmeal. Thus, you have seen that you do not need an expert to cook oatmeal for you regularly, which supports weight loss and keeps you healthy at the same time. It is very simple, and I hope you will prepare this low-calorie oatmeal for you in your breakfast and remain healthy. Thank you.